Good morning. We are back here at 4th Avenue Medical Aesthetics in Stony Creek, and Jacqueline, hi.
Hi, welcome back.
Thank you so much. It's so fun being here. Today I'm doing something I've never done before. I thought I was a bit too old for permanent jewelry, but apparently that's not the case.
Right?
No.
So today what we're going to do is permanent jewelry. So there's a lot of misconception about it. A lot of people actually think it's tattooed.
I totally think it is.
Right?
Or
It is
I thought
not.
it was.
So it's been a trendy piece this year, I find. So we brought in the clinic because we've had a lot of demand for it.
Okay.
As well, it's really hard to find pure gold. So we found a really nice distributor that distributes pure gold. So when you come in, you know what piece you're getting. You get 3 different tones to choose from. And what it is permanent jewelry is actually a permanent clasp.
Okay.
So what it means is you cannot take it off. It's going to be on you the whole time.
It's going to live on me.
That's right. So
Okay.
if you need to take it off, obviously we take a piece of scissors or a piece of plier, obviously, and clip it.
Yeah.
But however, and then you can come back if you need it back on, and we'll just put it back on for you. But it's
that's
something
nice.
that you're not going to take on and off during the day and night.
It's kind of convenient. And the clasp I find sometimes like will scratch you or
Yes.
get caught on stuff, especially with necklaces. Do you do necklaces as well?
Necklaces, we do a lot of anklets and a lot of bracelets. We have a lot of moms and daughters come in, best friends. They come in and they
that's
do it
super
together.
cute.
Yeah, so it's really nice. And Valentine's Day coming up, obviously, it's a big
yeah.
thing. So we have husbands coming in for gift cards just for the permanent jewelry.
That's smart. That's really smart. Okay, here we go. Now what's this process? What's happening here?
So what she's doing is she's just measuring out to make sure you have the right size. She's taking that clasp right now. So she's putting the 2 pieces together, and then essentially what it is a welding machine. So at 4th Avenue, you just don't do cosmetics and injections and facials. Now
Yeah.
Stephanie has learned how to weld.
That's
Some new
amazing.
things.
Steph, did you have to take a welding course?
No.
Because that's big business, you know. Welding is big business. This is so neat and totally painless and easy and fun, and you get a brand new piece of jewelry out of it.
It's lovely. So when I go on vacation, and I'm going on vacation shortly, I know I'm going to have jewelry on. You know, you kind of take it off, and then when you go to the pool, then you don't really wear anything because you don't want to lose it.
Yeah, totally.
Well, this place, it's already on you. So when you're going to sleep, getting up in the morning, you're already done, and you don't have to worry about losing it because clasp isn't going to come undone.
Yeah. This is never going anywhere. You can go into the ocean with it and everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, coming up, we're going to talk facials. We're going to talk Botox. We're even going to do a little Morpheus 8. Wonder what that is? Yeah, me too. We're going to find out. All of that coming up on Morning Live. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to 4th Avenue here in Stony Creek. This procedure, I know, I've heard so many good things about Morpheus 8. Jacqueline, explain it to us.
So what this is microneedling of radio frequency in 1. So this is our gold treatment here. So a lot of patients come in with a lot of skin issues. Obviously we're losing our turgor as we get older. There's a lot of sagging, and then we get a lot of heaviness in here.
Jowls, I like to
that's
call them
right.
my jowls.
So what this is microneedling radio frequency in 1. So you're getting 2 treatments in 1, and the radio frequency with the laser is skin tightening.
Okay.
So it's decreasing tissue, it's tightening the skin. There is needles involved, so obviously the frequency of the laser is going throughout the needles into that subcutaneous tissue and depleting it. So what we find is this is a facelift without getting a facelift.
Ooh.
So this is your closest you can get without going underneath a knife.
That's incredible. Okay, so I'm seeing red bumps.
Yep.
What's the recovery time on this?
Realistically, we say recovery time is 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
So I find at the 24-hour mark, most people, we don't even can tell that it's been done. So you're a little pink for about 24 hours. You're going to follow our post-procedure instructions. Some people see about a 2-3 day where they're a little raised and have a little bit of pigmentation, pinkness, but otherwise, around the 24-hour mark, realistically, that's when we find vast improvement, and then they look really good.
That's incredible. Yeah. And it's usually you get more than one session. Usually do a few sessions
We
to
do.
make sure it's picture perfect.
Yeah, we do 3 sessions, 4 to 6 weeks apart. Some people need more than that, but realistic, that's the goal.
That's the average.
That usually does it.
Okay.
And we haven't had a patient realistically that says that they haven't seen any results because it does work wonders.
Okay, now she's like barely flinching, so I'm guessing this doesn't hurt.
Not really. I would say a lot of people say that you can't feel it at all.
Okay.
And then other people...
Can you feel it?
A little bit. It's more like pressure than pain.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're frozen for about 45 minutes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So
Yeah,
you
prior
freeze
to.
the face. I love that. Okay.
Yeah.
And is it face and neck and decoupage or just face?
So we can do face and neck and of course lower. We also do target areas, so under eyes is a big piece in the clinic. A lot of patients
get
come
rid of
in.
all those bags.
Yes. So a lot of
I
plastic
need
surgeons, before they do surgery, they will actually try Morpheus 8 on patients' eyes to see if that will rectify the situation.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, and it's usually pretty successful.
Okay, I love that. All right, as we continue the Morpheus 8 treatment, I'm excited to see the final results. We're going to be taking a look at some Botox plus a Forma facial that does something completely different yet similar. So all that's coming up, sending things back inside the studio. Botox, everybody seems to be getting it for many different reasons, not just for cosmetic, but there's medical reasons that you're doing it. But before we get into the nitty gritty, Jacqueline, I want to talk a little bit about your ethics and the fact that you've won awards because of it. You don't treat people just for the sake of treating people.
So a different thing about our clinic is this is our 7th year now. So one of the reasons why I opened this up is because I've been finding that cosmetics has been so overinflated.
Yeah.
A lot of patients are coming in, they're getting overtreated, they're trying to sell things to patients as well. Realistically, at the end game, it's about the money. And I just kind of wanted to change that.
Yeah.
So what our whole vision here has been is when patients come in, we do not treat patients if it's not appropriate. We do offer free consultations. What we do is we do pure education. I never tell them what I think they require. I always ask them when they come in, they sit in my chair, we get to know each other, and then I say, well, what is the issue at hand? When they come in, they tell me what the issue is, then I give them the options. We educate them, tell them what the procedure is about, side effects, contraindications post-procedure. Then what I like them to do is go home and they make a really sound decision and then come back and be confident in what they're getting done.
Yeah.
And then I know at the end of the day they're getting the appropriate treatment. Our goal is to make them look natural, enhance what they already have.
Yeah.
Fix those little things that are bothering them. So that's a little bit different. So yes, we did win the Global Recognition Award for Canada, and we're the only clinic that has won that so far.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Congratulations for that, because that's a big award. What's happening here? I know we're doing Botox, but what kind of Botox?
So what Patricia's doing is she's doing a lip flip. So what this does, a lip flip.
Lip flip.
So it's an alternative to filler.
Okay.
So there is a lot of misconceptions about filler out there right now. So a lot of women are going on the lip flip area. So what they want to do is what it does is relaxes that upper muscle in your upper lip, and it actually pulls your upper lip up nicely.
Oh.
It makes you look more natural, but enhances your upper lip and gives you more lip show. So more places to put lip gloss.
Oh, that's
your lipstick
cool.
looks better, and we're not adding volume. What we're doing is we're just giving you
little
more of a lip
plumpness.
show. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I like that. That's really cool.
Very easy.
And a lot of people get Botox, of course, forehead,
That's right.
eyebrows. This little, a lot of people
That's
have the
right.
11s, that crease. Mine turns into a bit of a cave.
You got her.
If I'm not careful.
We fix those things. As well, we do a lot of medical therapeutic Botox. So migraine therapy, hyperhidrosis for sweating, TMJ, we do that as well. So we're not just a cosmetic place. What we do is we also do medical Botox as well.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
I'm sure a lot of people don't know that and are probably very interested. So we'll have your information up on our website. Coming up, the Forma facial, I'm going to lie down on the table and get something done. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. There is a lot more coming up on Morning Live. Best part of my job. I get to relax, get a little treatment. Jacqueline, what's going on right now?
So what this is the Forma facial, so within mode. So what we're doing is we're doing skin tightening. So this is very similar to the Morpheus, not as aggressive. You do need more treatments. It's topical, so there's no injections, no needles.
Okay.
So what it is the radio frequency is going through the tissue of your skin into that subcutaneous tissue, and it's tightening everything up.
Really?
Yeah, so
Just feels like a nice warm massage.
you know those women that have those jowls or that little fatty tissue underneath?
I am one of those women.
Right? So what that does is decreases that tissue and tightens the skin.
Wow.
I know, and it's really comfortable. I hope you feel like it's comfortable.
This is so stress-free. This feels so relaxing.
Amazing to get it done in the winter time because it's nice and warm.
It's warm.
So we don't just do it on the face, we actually also do it on the body. So for me specifically, I've had children.
Oh, yeah.
What ends up happening is you can be as thin as you want, work out as you want, but
you
the
still
skin's
have that
not
skin.
tight.
Yep.
So I've had it done on my skin multiple times on my stomach, and I'm going to continue to get that skin really, really tight.
And
so
you're
then,
finding it's making an impactful difference.
100%, and it's just so nice to lay there with the heat. It's just lovely.
Yeah, this is heaven.
Yeah.
Talk to us a little bit more about some of the other services that you do have here at the spa, because we've talked about this, we've talked about the Morpheus 8, we've done the permanent jewelry. What else would you like to highlight?
Lots of things that we do. Obviously, we do dermal fillers, we do Botox.
Oh yes, we did the Botox.
Yes. We do, I try to tell everybody we do facials. So we do medical grade facials with a spa-like feel. So you come in, you're wrapped up in blankets, it's all heated, the candles are going, aromatherapy and massages, but we're actually doing medical changes to your skin while we're doing those therapeutic facials.
Oh, that's amazing.
Another nice one that we do is we do acne. So we do a lot of children. We do teenagers. Super fun. They get into the spa-like environment. We put on whatever music they want.
Oh,
we
that's
actually
awesome.
have a 17-year-old, and he puts on Metallica during his treatments. So it's really, really great. They have a great time, but we help with that acne as teenagers progress in age.
That's
and adults,
amazing.
of course, as well.
Yeah, because there's all sorts of adult acne that you could get, and you guys could take care of it here. And they do, medical procedures for Botox. It's not just, to look your best. It's also if you need it done for medical reasons.
Correct, yeah. So we're here, what I always say is I'm always available to my patients. We say relationship never ends at the door. So if they need me at 1 o'clock in the morning, then I will generally hear my phone.
Yeah.
If I'm on vacation, we always have staff here, but if they need me specifically, I will 100% get back to them. We let them know if no question's a silly question. If something's bothering them or they have a question about a procedure or post-procedure even, I say always reach out to me and I will specifically come to you and we will chat about what's needed to be done, but we're always available to our patients. We always follow through. And that's a nice thing too, is that they know they're in good hands and that we're not going to not answer their messages, that we are going to follow up with them continuously.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's that nice sense of community that you guys offer here, which is great.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to put your socials up on our website. So thank you so much for having us.
Thanks
and
for
thank you so
coming.
much for this amazing little treat at the end. It's so good. Lots more coming up on Morning Live. We are at 4th Avenue Aesthetic Spa. The spa. I'm calling it a spa. I'm like, so relaxed. Thanks, Jacqueline.